In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $4,600 in commission with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube. Just by promoting Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, I will share with you guys how do I create videos to promote my Amazon affiliate links on YouTube, how do I choose the right product, trending product that people will be interested to buy from my affiliate links, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods, new strategies. If you skip one of those steps or methods that I will share with you, it's gonna be really difficult for you to earn commission like this, okay? Anyway, so I made this commission just in 17 days from the first day of July until the day 17 of July. I made $4,600, okay? So for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for Amazon Associate. Search for this website. Click on the first link like this. You will be directly in this page over here to Amazon Associate. Click on sign up and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on create your Amazon account like this, and here you go. As you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do is you just need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate marketing. Okay, so this will be your Amazon affiliate account dashboard. It's super easy. So what you will do next is you need to choose good and trending product that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission, okay? So what you will do is you will go and open your YouTube account like this. Go to your YouTube homepage. So why we choose YouTube? Because guys, YouTube has 31 billion monthly visitors. That's really a lot of traffic. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two, and the people are using YouTube to search for a lot of product, services, topics, and so much more. Okay, so what you will do, you will open your YouTube account like this, click on the search, and ask question. I will ask, for example, how to solve, let's say, back pain problem. Let me see. Yes, and here you go. You can see the guys that people are searching for how to solve back pain problem, how to solve back pain in Hindi, how to solve back pain problem, how to solve back pain at home. So those people, a lot of people has this problem with back pain, okay? And YouTube, like I said, just need to ask question and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. So those people have this problem. If you are searching for this, then you have a back pain problem and you need solution, okay? So this is a report search prediction. So what you will do is you will go back to Amazon, okay? Open your Amazon account like this, okay? Not your Amazon affiliate account. Go to Google and search just for Amazon website. Click on the first link. You will be directly in this page, okay? So those people search for how to solve back pain problem. So I will search for some product that will help those people to solve this problem. I will search for back pain, okay? Search for this product, back pain, okay? I want you to pay attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose like sellers who has a lot of reviews, sellers who provide good price, and that's it. Because those people, if they click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of the customers of those sellers. Okay, that's why you need to choose good sellers. This one is best seller. Okay, that's really good. Has a lot of reviews, as you can see. A lot of people are buying this service. A lot of people have this problem. Okay, do you see how many people are buying this product? Sorry, not service, it's a product. As you can see guys, those sellers has a lot of reviews. A lot of people are buying this product because they have this problem, okay? So what you will do, I'm gonna choose this one, the first one, bestseller. I will choose this product. Just click on the product like this. that you choose. I will choose this one, like I said. So just click on the product that you need, that you choose, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon, okay? And as you can see, guys, this product is a really good product. Will help people to solve back pain problem. So what you will do is you will scroll down, okay? Scroll down and keep scrolling down. Go over here to about this item. Copy this description. So what I will do, I will turn this product description into a YouTube script video. Okay, I will show you how you can do it. Copy this description and go to Google, search for ChatGPT. Okay, search for this AI website. It's super easy. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with ChatGPT. And I'm just using the free version. So click over here on message and ask ChatGPT, turn this product description into a YouTube script and make it short, just up to 3-4 seconds. And ChatGPT said, sure, please provide the product description you would like me to turn into a YouTube script. I put this description here, and ChatGPT turned this product description into YouTube script. Scroll down, and I asked him to give me just the full script, okay, without telling me what I should do, what I should remove. Just give me the full script, okay? And here you go. ChatGPT give me this script. It's really good. Struggling with back pain, and here you go. The script is really good. I will copy this one, the script. Go back to Google. We need to turn this YouTube script into voiceover. Go to Google. Let me show you. Just go back to Google, search for this website, search for PlayHT website. This is an AI voiceover website that will help you to turn your YouTube script into voiceover, and it's for free. So just click on this link over here and you will be directly in this page over here like this, okay? So all you have to do is you just need to put your script here. You can also click on change voiceover if you want to change the voiceover. They have different voiceovers. They have American voiceovers, British voiceovers, Australian voiceovers. I think even Hindi voiceover is here. Canadian voiceover, South Africa voiceover, Italian voiceover, and so much more. So you can check those voiceovers if you want.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week. We've just, rolled out a promotion and
they are really in high quality voiceovers that you can use. So for me, guys, I choose this one, female. It's really good.
All right, so teaching subtraction to a kid, can actually be like pretty.
This one is really good. I like to use this one. Just click on the voiceover that you want to use. Scroll down. Keep scrolling down. Click on confirm. Put your script here and click on generate. Okay? You just need to wait a few seconds. Then your script will be turned into voiceover like this. I already have this one. Okay? And all you have to do is you need to click on export. Then click over here on as a single audio file. And that's it. After you finish, what you will do, this voiceover will be exported to your laptop. What you will do next, you will go back to Google. You will search for Canva like this. Click on the first link. Let me show you. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page. So what you will do next is you will click on upload. Click on upload file. Okay, so just follow those steps. Click on upload file and upload your voiceover. Okay, this is my voiceover about back pain scripts.
Struggling with back pain? Meet the fetal back brace, your ultimate solution for relief.
That's really good. Click on open, and if you click over here on audio, you should find, let me see, yes, you should find your voiceover here. Okay, that's it. Click on your voiceover and your voiceover will be over here. So what you need to do next is we need a video about this product that we want to promote on YouTube, this Amazon product. Go back to this Amazon product page, okay? Go back to this Amazon product page, let me see, and scroll down. Let me show you. If you scroll down, over here you have videos. Click on videos, okay? I will click on this one. Let me check this one. So as you can see, guys, this seller has a video about this product, okay? So what you will do, product video, and what you will do, you will turn your screen recording on, and you will record this video, okay? So it's easy. So record this video, and that's it. And after you do that, go back to your Canva, to this Canva homepage, okay? And click over here on upload, and upload the video that you recorded on this Amazon product page seller, okay? This one. Let me show you. You see, I recorded this one. Click on open, and your video will be over here. Over here, if you click on videos, you should find your video here. Click on your video, and your video will be over here like this, okay? As you can see, click on this 3 points and click on set video as background like this, okay? It's super easy. Click on the video, click over here on audio, and click over here on mute, or just decrease even the volume to 0. We don't need any background music because we have our voice over here, and that's it, okay? And after you finish, so your video will be like this, okay? Let me show you. And here you go, you have a video that you can use. So let me see. So here I'm gonna make it like this, okay? And and scroll down, choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the text style that you want to use, and your text style will be in the front of your video here. I'm going to delete the second one and decrease the font size of this text, and they will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description like this. People who will watch this video, they will check our YouTube description. We will put our Amazon affiliate link there, and that's it. So let me just edit this one. I will put this title here. Click over here on elements, scroll down. So let me show you. You can click on elements and scroll down and click over here on ship, okay? Choose this one, and here you go. Put this ship behind your text like this, okay? And here you go, and your video will be over here like this. Check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. So let's check this. You can, guys, edit this video if you want.
Struggling with back pain? Meet the Fetal Back Brace, your ultimate solution for relief. Available in various sizes, it's crucial.
Okay, I'm gonna edit this. I'm gonna remove this, and I will, so let me see. I will click over here on add page. Okay, add page, and they will click on this page, the last page, and they will put this page here in the first, like this, and they will click on elements, and they will click on the search, and they will search for back pain. I just want to make this video good, okay? So let me show you. I will search for back pain. I will click on videos, and I'm gonna choose, let me see. We have some back pain videos here. I'm gonna choose this one. So we will just put this one here, like this, and they will make it small. Okay, like this. Let me check now to see.
Struggling with back pain? Meet the Fetal Back Brace, your ultimate solution for relief. Available in various sizes, it's crucial to measure your waist at the navel for the perfect fit. Whether you're a size SM or up to 5XL, we've got you covered. The Fetal Back Brace effectively relieves pain caused by disc herniation, sciatica, scoliosis, and more. With 4 strong support strips and an extra lumbar pad, it provides 360-degree support, perfect for workouts or daily activities.
And here you go. This is a video. It's your own video. It's my own script. I created this. Is my own script, and I add this script to this video. You will not get any copyright issue with YouTube because it's like you are adding value to this video. You add your voiceover. You can even edit this video, edit the colors, add some emojis, you can make it more engaging and edit this video. And after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, open a YouTube channel. It's gonna take just 1-2 minutes. Upload this video to your YouTube channel, put this title, how to solve back pain problem. In your YouTube video title, put this one, how to solve back pain problem, so people can find your video in the search result. Okay, after you do that, go back to this product page on Amazon. Let me show you. Go back to this Amazon product page that you used the video, and you choose this product. So what you will do to copy the link of this product as an affiliate, you will click over here on text. So you already have an Amazon affiliate account, so you should see this Amazon associate site Stripe. You should see this bar here. Click on text. Just click on text like this and copy. This is your affiliate link. Copy your affiliate link from here. Go and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. You are promoting a product that will help people solve their problems, and of course you will earn commission. Why not? It's working, okay? Because those people has problem. They want to solve the back pain problem, and this product on Amazon, this one that we choose, will help those people to solve the back pain problem, and that's it. You guys just need to think smart. If you just do research, if you try those methods, if you stay consistent, you can really make a lot of money with these methods. Okay, I'm sharing with you guys those methods that no one shared before on YouTube. Let me know if you already watched a video like this one, sharing with you this method and how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on YouTube. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any question, leave it in the comments. If you want me to share more methods, more new methods, new strategies to help you promote your affiliate links using free traffic, just comment in this video, affiliate marketing, and I'm gonna start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods. Also, guys, my affiliate marketing course is almost done. Maybe it's just 1 week, maybe 1 week. After 1 week, I will keep you guys updated. If you guys are interested, just comment in this video, like I said, affiliate marketing, like this video, and see you in my next videos.